Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Analytics site search to track what people are searching for on your website. Setting up the site search reports can provide valuable insights into what your existing audience members want on your website. This can help you identify gaps in content, opportunities for new products and services, and even ways to improve usability. Before we get started, you'll need to make sure that your website has a search function. This is where people can search within your website. It can be located on the top of your website, at the bottom of your pages, or even on your 404 error page. Most common website platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Squarespace all come with their own built-in search functions. But you also have the option of setting up a custom solution using Amazon Cloud Search or Bing Custom Search. Once you've added search to your website, it's time to get started. Start by heading to your website and performing a search. I'm going to search on my website for AdWords mistakes. I can see the search results page for my website search function. Now what I'm hoping to see is the search term I used in the URL bar of my browser. Here I can see the URL of my search results page is /search Q equals AdWords mistakes. This is good news because it means I can quickly start tracking the search terms people are using to search within my website. Now, if you don't see your search term in the URL bar, there are some options that I'll cover in a moment, but hopefully you have something similar to what we see here. Once you've found your search term in the URL, you should look to the left of the term and you will see an equal sign, and to the left of the equal sign you should see a character or a word. In my case, this is Q. This is the query parameter that's driving our search function. So if we change the value Q equals, then we should see a different set of search results. Let's change AdWords mistakes to partner exams. Now we can see a new search result. So this means Q is definitely the query parameter for our search function. We can now head into Google Analytics and configure the site search reports. Here we're in the admin section and we select View Settings. Now we can enable site search tracking and enter Q as the query parameter. You'll also see there is an option to strip the query parameters out of the URL. This basically means that you can clean up the content reports by removing the query parameters. For my example, we would have two separate pages showing up in our reports. We'd have /search Q equals AdWords mistakes, and another page of /search Q equals partner exams. By enabling this option, we'd only have a single page in our reports moving forward. We'd just see /search. I want to clean up my report, so I'm going to enable this option to strip out the query parameter, and I'm going to click on Save. Now moving forward, I'll be able to use the site search reports. Here we can see what you'll find in the reports. My favorite report under site search is the search terms report. It shows you what people are searching for and can provide really valuable insights. You can use the report by looking for terms that indicate people aren't getting the products, services, or information they're after. So we can use it to identify gaps in content as well as other opportunities for our business. For more tips on using the report, check out my blog post on using the site search reports. There's a link in the description below. Now back to setting up the reports. If you didn't see the search term when you used your website search, or you didn't have a query parameter for your search function, there are a couple of options. If you saw the search term but there was no query parameter, then you can create a filter inside Google Analytics to begin using the reports. Or if you didn't see the search term, then you can either change the way your form works by changing the method from post to get, or by using Google Tag Manager. For more details on setting up these options, check out the description below. So that's how you can track what people are searching for on your website using the Google Analytics site search reports. If you have any issues setting up the reports, or if you've found some valuable insights in the reports, then let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you go. And if you found this video helpful, then please like it so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.